Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Now in today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series guys. It will be the generation 2005-2013 E90, 91, E92, 93. So if your windshield wipers do not work, we'll show you which fuse to check. That's what we'll be doing today. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car, so please give a thumb up, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Now, let me introduce you quick. BMW guys, 3 Series uses 3 different fuse panels, so you can expect the fuse to be different depending on the year and the model. So always check that. Always double check everything because you might have a different year, different model. So on all of them you have to open the glove box. Okay, and right here you can see those turning things, one here, one over there. Turn them 90 degrees up and the panel will come loose. Okay, pull it out. And that's where guys your fuses are located. Now your fuse box might look a little bit different depending, again I said they use 3 different ones. So we'll need to get to fuse number 39. This is for the wipers. Now fuse 39, okay, is this fuse, okay, right here, the one that's by itself. It's a 30 amp fuse, so we'll use the puller. Okay, check out the puller now. It's right above the puller. We'll use the big side of it, okay. We'll go there now, grab it and pull it out. Okay, and this is the fuse. You can see right here. This one is good. The replacement ones that we have guys and that we use, we'll list them in the description of the video below. So feel free to check them out. I think the shop is about to fall apart, it's so windy outside. So I'll go ahead. Okay, push it in now. All the way. Make sure that it's all the way in like it's supposed to. And then never ever forget to put your fuse puller there. Okay, like that. And next we can just go ahead and install the panel here. Turn those 90 degrees so it can lock in place. And this one will be all. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.